Ik wil een foto.
Ja, volles Programm.
Dat willst du alles im Garten haben.
Dat is mooi. Even kijken, ja.
They're not mobile, they just all stood up. Something got their attention, but it looks like they're going to go down again.
Je moet toch goed aan de muur.
Do you wanna
Ik denk dat hij ons wel eerst...
Dat wordt gelijk maken.
Dat is misschien alles een beetje wachten. Ja?
I'm just gonna be over the channel again.
Dat is schön auf dem Baum.
Yeah. You can buy it. Huh?
Ganz toll.
The females don't fight for dominance, just the older ones know where they're going.
Yeah, they're also used to the cars, huh?
Yes.
Completely.
Yeah, the pups will have seen the cars from when they first emerged from the den. Looks like possibly it was a pregnant animal that they caught. And they've got the...
Yeah, that's of course possible.
Settling in the thickets.
So you have a couple of lines here.
We've got two prides. Both of the prides are dominated by the same males.
C'est une et il y a une autre et quatre hommes.
They've seen something else over there.
Okay.
Ik dacht die doet ook.
Picking on the one little one. Right size of baby as well, yes.
Copy, thank you.
Justin, you go ahead of me, I'll stay on one. Copy that, Justin.
I didn't copy, Rob. Are you still with us in Love?
Er sagt, sie streiten um irgendwie
Wir haben einen
Plastiktüte
Sandsack.
oder Sandsack, ja. Aber gestern haben die 5-mal
Also gestern haben wir die nur
die
fressen
was
sehen.
gerissen und wir waren 3-mal da und haben sie fressen sehen. Und die fressen in kürzester Zeit alles auf. Ja.
See how they're ripping that apart. That's how they rip their prey apart as well. Extremely powerful jaws. Even these little puppies have got extremely powerful jaws for their body size. It's amazing the force that they've got there.